Welcome to how to burn and finish black ash charcuterie boards. On this one, I'm going to add a burned edge all the way around. Watch how the grain pops. And there we go, the guitar charcuterie board is done with burn handle and edge. Now for the butcher knife. Now I'm not going to go around the entire edge on this one, but check out what I do. It just looks a little more like as if it was a real butcher knife. And there we go, one butcher's knife charcuterie board. Now for the cheese knives. Bloop, 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 bloop. Now everything you've seen me burn here today has been made out of black ash. The grain just pops so beautifully with this. Plus it's dense enough to be used for cooking utensils. Now if you thought the grain popped with the fire, just wait until this mineral oil soaks in. You'll see so many colors coming out of that pale white. Now, unrelated, but did you guys know that squirrels are immune to fall damage in real life? Like, it's based on the aerodynamics of their tail and the elasticity of their bones, but they hit terminal velocity at a relatively low height, like from the height of the average tree branch. So it doesn't matter if it's a tree or the stratosphere, they'll fall at the same, they'll hit the ground at the same speed, and they land like little superheroes. Like Google pictures of it. They are awesome. Love how deep the color gets when the mineral oil soaks in. And black ash has those black lines, and sometimes you get blues in it. Ugh. And here's 4 finished pieces. Let me know which one of them's your favorite. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for my next project.